Hey guys, today I'm changing the idler pulley on my 99 Landcruiser. It's a FZJ105, the 4.5 litre, 1FZ FE engine, Australian variant, if you couldn't tell. G'day. So, the new part number for the replacement, I'm using a genuine part, there it is there, 16603 66010. There is aftermarket ones, they're probably 20 or 30 bucks I think on eBay. These are probably double or almost triple, but I figure if one's lasted 20 odd years and 450,000 Ks before it started giving signs of wear. Now it's still functioning, but it's starting to make a bit of noise. It's got a bit of weepage at the back there, and yeah, it's got a bit of play in it. So I thought, why not get a new one before it fails, eh? Good idea, I thought. So it's pretty simple. All I've done is undone it and put another one in. It's just down in the front here below the alternator. Now I did take a little bit of tension off the belt just by putting an ocky strap hook around the belts and back to my coil spring in the front suspension. So being a 105, it's a live axle, solid axle front, not IFS, and I don't think these 4.5s come with the IFS anyway. So if you got this motor, you've probably got the solid front, so you can put it to a coil spring. Anyway, the only thing I'd point out, in case you're wondering, which I was curious and I checked my new one before I undid it, was is it left hand or right hand thread? Sometimes these things can be a little bit tricky and be left thread or whatever when it comes to idler pulleys and on different vehicles and different makes. So if you're wanting to know that and you can't quite tell, the pitch of it there, you can see the way it slopes there. It starts at the right, it's higher at the right than the left, and it slopes down this way. It was left thread and sloped down that way. So there you go. So it's just a normal standard right hand thread, thread, righty tighty, lefty loosey. So turn it to the left anti-clockwise when you're undoing it, and you shouldn't snap it off, all going well. Alright, good on you, eh? Hooroo. Cheers. Okay, and maybe you wanted to know what it sounds like when you've got a crook bearing. So I'll sit the camera here somewhere. Let me jig up a poor man's tripod bit here. It's a bit, how you doing? But anyway, there we go. That should do it. Right, so this is the crook one I've taken off. It's done 450,000 odd Ks. Now with that back plate there up tight. Now have a listen to this one. Hear that and see how you get the idea. Very free spinning, no resistance at all, and that rattly noise. Brand new, genuine one. That's snug, no noise. No play in the bearing. They won't be super tight because it just separates with this bit here. You can just undo that, so that all comes loose then. But so you just do your little nut spacer thing up on the back there. That's all I do. There we go. It's nice and snug. But yeah, that and then so there you go. Hopefully that'll answer that. Cheers.